Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is Sesame Snaps. It's cookies with sesame seeds as topping. I like it very much. It's so buttery. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Grease and butter your baking pan. Like so, and set to side. Let's make the cookies now. So in a bowl, this is 1 cup of unsalted butter with 1 cup of sugar with 1 mandarin or clementine, the grated peel. We're just gonna cream it. So you want to cream it until pale. Scrape the sides and continue creaming until pale. As you can see, so some part of already pale and the other part still yellowish. That's the one that I scraped from the side. So you want to scrape the sides and continue creaming. So that takes about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes on high speed. And now we're gonna add in our flour a little at a time, and you will need 2 cups of flour. Beat an egg white. Then we're gonna mix this egg white into a bowl of sesame seeds. Whoopsie. So what I have here is 1/3 cup of sesame seed. Add in your beaten egg white and 2 tablespoons of honey. So again, 2 tablespoons of liquid honey. Just mix it until completely combined. Mixture will be kind of dry, like so. So it's kind of like dense, lumpy, and not overly wet. If you want, you can add more sesame seed. So you don't want them to overtly wet, so they're somewhat kind of dry. Scoop a dough using cookie scooper or ice cream scooper, and then shape it into round or ball. Like so. Then we're gonna drop this onto our sesame seed. Generously stick there like that, and put it side up, the sesame side up, and then you want to press it to flatten it, and work with the rest of the dough and the sesame seeds and repeat the steps. Now bake on preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Let cookies cool on the pan for 5 minutes and then move them to cooling rack.